because first of its kind, first in the industry, Live Good is going to launch a co-op system.
Yes!
O, di ba? Alam naman natin, ang co-op, pag active member ka, everybody will have a share of dividends. Unique to, tama po ba? Dapat ibig sabihin, so hindi pa po huli ang lahat, we are part pa rin ng global pioneer. Ito na lang po siguro ang iwan namin sa inyo. Whether you join us today or not, for the next 10 to 15 years, Live Good is going to explode. Kasi ang ebidensya po, itong less than 2 years, globally, buong mundo, ang Live Good nakapag-create ng almost 1,000 millionaires already.
Yes!
In less than 2 years. May kaibigan po ako na may-ari ito ng network marketing na dito sa Manila. 9 years na yung company nila. Alam mo ang yabang nila? Siyang na daw ang milyonaryo nila. Sabi ko, Jesus Christ, hallelujah. So meaning, Live Good is unstoppable. Tama po ba? For the following reasons. Number 1, sobrang baba yung membership fee. Number 2, ang monthly mo lang gagastusin 600 pesos. Number 3 is a US product. Number 4, sobrang mura yung produkto. Now, alam ko, may alam kayo ng mga company na existing for 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 years. You compare to Live Good. Ang mahal ng membership nila, ang mahal ng monthly maintenance na libo-libo, 7, 10, 12, 15, 20,000. Ang produkto nila sobrang mahal. 1,500, 2,000, 3,000, isang bote, 5,000. Live Good, 600 pesos. You can buy 1 bottle of